What up, everybody? What up, squad? Welcome back to another video. So in this week's video, I'm gonna be cutting a design that I created. I got this new holographic vinyl, HTV actually, that I'm gonna try and cut. First time cutting, we're gonna see the pressure setting. I have this, I already weeded because I already have my setting set as that, so it's weeded. Says this one says big smoker, this one's gonna say the bud, and try and make it shine. I don't know, no expert graphic designer, we just making designs, trying to see if this works. So if you like what I'm doing on this channel, you want to see me continue growing, I'm going to be soon opening an Etsy once I get everything situated, trying out all different products and all different shirts and vinyl, and gonna get into sublimation. There's a lot of steps we're gonna do, but if you like what I'm doing, stay tuned, keep on watching, and right after this intro, we're gonna get into this video.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
There goes the weeding of the holographic vinyl. I don't even know if it's working. It looks like it is. It might cut it too deep though, because I can definitely see the cuts if you guys see that. But I wanted to make sure it gets cut, so I put the pressure way high. Alright guys, so I cut it. Ended up cutting through the whole carrier sheet. I actually put the pressure too high, had her on glitter cardstock and more pressure, so I gotta check what the pressure point setting is, because it did cut, but it cut too deep. So we have it too much, we just gotta make it a little less. But for me personally, I'd rather just get it cut. I mean, I did cut through the carrier sheet, so it is gonna make my blade duller, but I didn't waste material. It's still cut. I still got what I wanted out of it, and I'm still gonna try and figure out a way how to put it onto a shirt, because the carrier sheet is kind of small to kind of pull off. But I weeded out this this other thing right here. I weeded out, transfer, got a little bent, but you're gonna kind of see how it just goes into there, kind of like that. But we're gonna figure it out, and we're gonna do this in a sec. So I'm gonna get this heat press ready. We gonna get the camera set up over there, and then we gonna put this onto a shirt. Let's go. We're over here by the heat press, guys. So I got this right here. Hold that up for you guys. We're about to press it onto there, but first, every single time you do a shirt, make sure you lint roll. Because my last shirt I got that I'm wearing right now, this design one, I forgot to lint roll and it got a little stain on it. But it seemed like it came off after a wash. So if you guys do that and you forgot to do the lint, it may come off after a wash. I don't know, mine did. I'm pretty sure I didn't really take a look. I just threw the shirt on. But I ain't noticed it before. It was real noticeable. But that's a new shirt. Got a little bit of my bad, I didn't even have it on the camera. Got a little bit of lint, not too bad. But let's put this on here. We're gonna pre-press this to make it flat, so that way the shirt's dry and your basic application area is flat. So you see the major difference right there. I use my little neck thing. People don't like this little thing because they say it melts on Amazon. But honestly, you just got to be quick with your stuff and not let it sit under heat, because it's not meant to sit under heat. All right. I don't know how this is going to press, because my words is a little dented because of the carrier sheet of me trying to take it off. But we're going to press this down. And I got to watch it too, because the last time I tried to do this, my whole camera fell off when it lifted up. So I'm going to have to hold it. Let that press for 15 seconds. Take it right there, and then we're just gonna peel it off. Yes sir, just like that. Got the big on there. Alright. Now you guys are gonna see kind of what I'm doing, because you'll see that transfer sheet right there. I'm actually gonna cut it a little smaller. Where's my scissors at? So you guys are gonna see this improvising right on camera. We're actually gonna take, that may be too small. Let's cut it bigger. We'll cut it like that. See that little piece right there? Take off the hair that was just on there, but just right there. Let's try it just like that. There. All right, now we got it on all correct. See the bud? Now we're just gonna line this the way we want it to be for our design. And I think it's about right there. That's about how we want our design. You guys can see that. Move that camera just a little bit over. But we're gonna go ahead and press this down. Don't know if it's gonna work. We moved it from the transfer sheets. This is the transfer sheet we moved it from. And we're gonna try and see if this peels after 15 seconds. I don't know if it's a hot peel or a cold peel. I think it's a cold peel. Let me grab my ruler. And we're just gonna press this down a little bit. And if you are nervous and you think it's gonna mess up, repress it a little bit. It never hurts. I mean, it does kind of hurt, but depending on your heat setting, if you overheat it or you underheat it, I don't know if that makes sense, but it does make sense when you overheat it. All right, so now we're just gonna take that ruler again, kind of flatten this out, get it all into there. And don't know if it's a cold peel. I think it's a cold peel, so we're just gonna take it off and let it cool a little bit. I should have paid more attention to the settings. Or not to the settings, to the things. That's what it looks like before I peel it, guys. So, let's try this. Seems like it's coming off. I notice our little U is over the K right there. And I forgot to weed the O's in the smoker. But that transfer of the carrier sheet actually worked. Can you guys see that? Big Bud smoker. Yeah, it actually worked though. It don't look too bad. You can kind of see the U, how it's covering the K, but it ain't too bad, guys. It worked. We cut it. We pressed it. Wasn't perfect, but it happened. Let me throw this on and see how it looks. We're going to check back in a sec because I'm kind of hyped. Alright guys, so press the shirt. You guys seen it? This is what it looks like. Ain't come out too bad. It came over the K, but it ain't too bad, so it actually worked. We did holographic vinyl for the first time. Cutting wasn't the best. Don't look the best, but it looks good to me, and that's all that matters. So, did miss the O's, but I do have some VLR, and I will be fixing that. But if you like this week's video, and you want to tune in, and you like what I'm doing on the channel, just keep on watching. Appreciate it. Lost Entrepreneur out.